to use our working path. I'm going to go ahead, I have it already here. If you don't know how to get the paths, or if you've lost your window, go to Window, Paths, and that'll bring up this window right here. In the book, they want us to rename it Lemon, because we're going to turn that orange into a lemon. And then I use the Load Path Selection, which is a third. And then I have my path selected, it's loaded. I'm going to turn off the path guide and then go to my adjustment layer and choose Hue and Saturation. And you can see when I chose Hue and Saturation, a mask was created, and then I'm going to pull to the right and create a lemon. So I think they use 16 or 17 in the book. I'm going to use 13, because anything more than that, this looks really on my computer a little bit too lemony, too oversaturated. So I have 16. So now I have a lemon instead of an orange. Go ahead and save your work.